Have you ever heard the saying, so close yet so far? I think this saying means something extremely different than what most people think. And I saw that you were interested in joining 10,000 plus students who've joined our program, who've taken the leap of faith and who've joined and never looked back. And a large majority of the 10,000 plus students who've taken the first step to creating the life they want have been able to achieve that financial freedom that we all so desperately desire. So if you haven't joined yet, I think you're probably thinking exactly what I was thinking before I joined my first course. What if it doesn't work for me? Well, today I'm going to be answering that, and I'm going to be doing something very, very special. You can try the course completely risk-free for 14 days. Do the work, and if you aren't satisfied, you'll get 100% of your money back. Simple as that. And it's rare in life that you get the opportunity to change everything in your life with zero risk. So I like to over-deliver, guys, so I'm also going to offer the absolute best price we've ever offered, but good things like this do not last for long. So if you want to take advantage of this completely risk-free offer at our best price ever, then what I need you to do right now is click the button down below, take the first step towards changing your life, and I'll see you guys on the inside.